more and more evidence exposing Pakistan and how. I hope the world is watching, realizing that if evidence of carrying out massacres were not enough against our civilians, look at this evidence. India successfully intercepting not just in Rajouri. More news coming in. Let's take a look at that. This is in Punjab. Close to the border in Hoshiarpur, a Chinese PL-15 air-to-air missile has been recovered. This Chinese missile appears to be, of course, from what Pakistan systems are using, the weaponry that they have been using from China and from a Pak fighter jet, basically. That has landed and has been caught. Now, what is interesting is it failed to detonate. That's also speaking volumes about the kind of equipment China had been sending to Pakistan. It's the dubious arsenal from China. Our managing editor, Gaurav Sawant, joins me for the latest on that. Gaurav, it is as much evidence about the kind of Chinese support to Pakistan, but also failed to detonate. What does that tell us? And tell us more about this specific missile.
It's a gold mine. This missile is worth its weight in gold as far as those who are studying Chinese equipment are concerned, and not just in India. The United States may just send a special aircraft to study this. It's the latest PL-15. It's the air-to-air missile that the Chinese are using. Of course, these are mated on the JF-17 Block 3 Thunders and also on the J-10Cs, which is the backbone now and gradually of the Pakistani Air Force, the JF-17 Thunders and the J-10Cs. The fact that a PL-15 failed to detonate and fell in Hoshiarpur. It's an air-to-air missile, quite like the American, AIM-21-2B. It just goes on to indicate that the Chinese are making beyond visual range missiles with extended ranges. This may have failed to detonate, but analysts would want to see, military planners would want to see the kind of technology China is able to put in its latest air-to-air missiles. Look, America is also seeing what kind of weaponry China has, especially over Taiwan, the issue of Taiwan, because that is where the American fighter jets and the Chinese fighter jets may face off in times to come. The Chinese are already working on an advanced version of the PL-15s, and PL-15s is something that Pakistan has been boasting about very extensively after the PL-12s. But this, if it failed to detonate, and in the past some which apparently may have succeeded, so we really have to, our military planners would really be wanting to look at this missile very closely to see the technology China has. The fact that it failed to detonate is a big shot in the arm to analyze the Chinese equipment and the failure of the Pakistanis to capitalize on it. But it also shows the weaknesses in this particular missile, in the JF-17 Thunders, which incidentally, as you well know, the Chinese are not using themselves, but have palmed it off to Pakistan completely. And of course, the J-10Cs. So there's a lot that will be gathered about the Chinese equipment, because if you see, even their honky, the HQ-16 air defense shield in Lahore failed. It virtually collapsed in the face of the Indian assault, which wasn't even a punitive assault. It was just a demonstrative assault.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.